Good Monday evening, Midlands. I'm Chief Meteorologist Efren Afonte, and today our temperatures were at least close enough to where they should be. Both downtown Columbia and Columbia Metropolitan Airport started a low of 73 degrees. Downtown ended up with a high of 91, while the airport ended up with a high of 90. Not too bad. We didn't have that much rain. We had a lot of sunshine, though, and it was noticeably humid. Downtown Columbia by the evening, partly cloudy, 90 degrees. The heat index, though, of 98. Yeah, that moisture was back. Didn't have as many storms as we had on Saturday and Sunday, but nevertheless, we've been watching a couple of thunderstorms that made its way through this afternoon in the northern Midlands into the PD, but there's a line of thunderstorms that have been moving through western and central portions of Georgia. All of this is moving generally to the northeast, and with a couple other thunderstorms now crossing over the central Savannah River area earlier this evening, we could see a few more thunderstorms. Here's our forecast. Few lingering thunderstorms. All of this should be gone before we get up tomorrow morning by daybreak. We'll start for a low of 73 degrees. Tomorrow we're going to reach a high of 88, but we are expecting widely scattered showers and thunderstorms from pretty much in the early afternoon all the way to the late evening. Now, of course, we are tracking Tropical Storm Idalia. As of the 5 o'clock update, the track has it making its way through South Carolina on Wednesday, crossing over the Savannah River and making its way across the low country inland. Now, it's still a lot of uncertainty whether it's going to keep that track or be further out into the Atlantic or further into the Midlands. Regardless, we are going to have at least some kind of impact here in our Midlands community. So as we get into Wednesday, we'll have the best chance for widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, torrential rainfall, possible tropical storm winds as Idalia makes its way through. High of 76 degrees. That activity will continue Wednesday overnight and into Thursday morning. We'll still have, for some of us, and it'll be mostly in the eastern and southern portions of the Midlands, some showers and thunderstorms that'll linger in the morning to probably midday. And by the afternoon, it's all done, but Thursday afternoon, we're only going to have a high of 78 degrees. Then at least we start getting back to what should be the weather for the late summer. Friday, mostly sunny, a high of 82. Lots of sunshine continuing on Saturday and Sunday, but highs getting into the upper 80s. And by Labor Day, still sunny as we get to a high of 90 degrees.